Alright, so, you've got this friend, right? Or maybe a family member. Someone you really care about. And you're thinking, hey, I want to give them a gift that actually does something. Not just another thing to collect dust on a shelf, but something that could potentially grow over time. Something that could help them build a better financial future. And you're wondering, can you gift them an Acorns account? Great question. Because, let's face it, in a world filled with endless gift options, it's tough to find something truly meaningful. You want to give something that shows you care, but also something that's practical. Something that can actually make a difference in their lives. And that's where the idea of gifting an Acorns account comes in. But hold on, before we dive into the nitty-gritty of whether or not you can actually gift an Acorns account, let's talk about what Acorns even is. For those of you who are new to the world of investing, Acorns is essentially a micro-investing app. It's designed to help you save and invest small amounts of money over time. It's like a piggy bank on steroids, but with the potential for much higher returns. You link your debit or credit card to Acorns, and it rounds up your purchases to the nearest dollar and invests the difference. So, if you buy a coffee for $3.25, Acorns will round it up to $4 and invest the extra 75 cents. It's a super easy way to start investing without even thinking about it. But back to the original question, can you gift an Acorns account? Well, the short answer is, it's complicated. Acorns does offer a feature called Early Gifts, which allows you to contribute to a child's Acorns account. So, if you're looking to gift an Acorns account to a kid, you're in luck. But if you're trying to gift one to an adult, things get a bit trickier. While there's no direct way to gift an Acorns account to an adult, there are a few creative workarounds. One option is to simply open an Acorns account for yourself and then transfer the money to the person you want to gift. It's not as direct as gifting an account, but it still allows you to share the benefits of Acorns with someone else. Another option is to give them a gift card. Acorns offers gift cards that can be used to fund an account. So, while it's not technically gifting an account, it's a pretty close second. The recipient can use the gift card to open an Acorns account or add funds to an existing one. Now, before you go rushing out to buy a bunch of Acorns gift cards, there are a few things to consider. First, it's important to make sure that the person you're gifting to is actually interested in investing. Not everyone is into the stock market, and forcing someone to invest against their will is probably not the best way to show you care. Second, it's important to understand that investing involves risk. There's no guarantee that the money will grow, and it's possible to lose money. So, while Acorns is a relatively low-risk investment platform, it's still important to be realistic about the potential outcomes. And finally, it's important to remember that the best gifts are often the ones that come from the heart. While an Acorns account can be a thoughtful and practical gift, it's not going to replace quality time, a heartfelt letter, or a simple act of kindness. So, can you gift an Acorns account? Technically, not directly. But there are ways to work around it. Whether or not you decide to do so is up to you. Just make sure that whatever you choose to do, it comes from a place of love and care. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.